let's start the action.
Okay, Jeanette, let the show begin. A knife. In the right hands, culinary magic. In the wrong, complete chaos.
Precision, power, and let's be honest, a bit of danger. The ultimate kitchen weapon.
Spices. The ingredients that make it mediocre or wow.
A bit of this, a bit of that, and a masterpiece.
The ticket. The chef's worst nightmare. But give me 100, we'll get it done.
Control, chaos, pepper addition.
The bell. The sound of pride for a chef, but panic for a waiter, you better hurry up.
Ding ding, order up.
The calculator. Food is not just about cooking, flavor, presentation. It's about numbers, productivity, revenue. You need this tool.
I'm trying to make sense of all this and stay on track.
Cooking is an art, a bit of madness.
And we love it.
Join our world of moment makers.